everyone, this is Lori, and I know a little while back I told you that I was going to be working on a little snowman container and an angel container, so I just wanted to share them with you. So the first one I made was a snowman container, and I put the little snowman here in the middle, and originally this was a charm, but I took the eye screw out on the top. I was going to hang the little snowman from here, but I found when I set the container down, the snowman touched the mat and it was a little bit longer than the container, so that's what made me decide to put the little snowman in the middle. And instead I made a little glass snowflake charm. I bought a whole strand of these charms for really inexpensive last year at Hobby Lobby. And I just used the triple thick. I put quite a bit on the back of this, and it really stayed solid. And of course I used the 6/0 seed bead trim around here in pink and white. You can make your own custom trim, or you can just buy the little strand of 3mm pearls and put them around here, anything you want. And of course I used the silver Silly Winks Fun Foam, and then the 4mm flat back rhinestones that I bought from Hobby Lobby a while back. I think these were like $1.99 or something like that. And what I did was I took a toothpick and I dipped it in the triple thick, put just a little bit right at the tips of the snowflake, and then I took my my little picker tool and picked up the rhinestones and just put them like that, and they dried, and I thought it turned out really nice. And then of course I put 8 of the milk chocolate Hershey Kisses in here in the silver wrapper. And right here in the front you can see I put a little Merry Christmas sticker. That's from Hobby Lobby. And then so for the next container I made this little angel container right here. I forgot to put the Merry Christmas sticker right here, but I did basically the same thing, only I put 2 of the 4mm flat back rhinestones on each one of the snowflake stems, and then the little embellishment, I think this is about 18mm from its widest point. Okay, and I think I bought these maybe a couple of years ago now, but they're just flat back rhinestone buttons. I think that's what they call them on Temu. And of course I made the little custom trim around here in blue, pink, and white. And I know that both of these are non-traditional colors for Christmas, but I just thought they were pretty. Now you can get a bag of 16 of these little Hershey Kisses at the Dollar Tree for $1.25 a bag. So if you're only making a few of these, it might be worth it to buy that. You can put 8 in each container, so one bag would equal 2 servings. And so with that said, I'm working on recording some more tutorials this weekend. I have a gingerbread tutorial coming up, and it's really cute. You can give it as a gift. I really like the way it turned out. And I also have a beautiful nativity ornament coming up. And oh my goodness, I won't tell you the rest, but yeah, I have quite a few things coming up. But I really appreciate you watching, and thank you so much. And I know I'm a little bit behind on my comments, but I'll try to catch up with them as quickly as I can. So take care, and God bless, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.